सर काल गव्हर्नमेंटाने एक ऑर्डर काढल्या saying ban on paragliding on all forms because of there was a death last week. What do you have to say
See,
about
government has to come out with a solution on paragliding. Ban is not the solution. So I will speak to the Honorable CM. I will also talk to, I don't know whether it will come under, should come under sports, or whether it should come under Goa police, or it should come under which department. So paragliding is an activity which there are enthusiasts who are interested to learn, or who are interested to do paragliding, who are already paragliders. There is a big festival of paragliding which happens in Himachal. I was the chief guest in the year 2018. Himachal International Paragliding Festival happens. So such type of events should not be banned. It is wrong on the part of the government to ban such a activity, which I fully agree there was a death, and I am sympathetic to that particular thing which has happened, this particular death which happened because of whatever could be the reason, the rope or the wire gave way and there was a death. But all precautionary measures should be taken. Goa is a tourism destination. You go to anywhere in the world, you will find paragliding, you will find people jumping with parachutes out of the aircrafts. You go to Dubai, you just be on Jumeirah beach, you will see them taking off from Jumeirah beach, small.
Yeah, but Michael, don't you think that things should be regularized and then
Yeah, 100%.
because most of them are illegal?
No. See, operators, whoever want to register, should register with government, and government should come out with a policy for regulating this activity. It could be under sports department, it could be under any department. I am not saying, but let it be regulated. You cannot stop it. So let government come, take over. Let there be under one banner. Under one banner it can go. Goa Paragliding Association or whatever. They can just form one association and everybody can join over there. And they can have all safety measures in place. They should have one particular place where that activity will take off. And let it be monitored. And let all safety and precautionary measures be taken. They should have first aid kits, everything over there available, made available for such an activity. This is happening all over the world. Why Goa should not have it?
But there are a rising number of accidents in water sports, and this
See,
isn't it tarnishing Goa's image?
Until and unless we are not very serious on this issue, this cannot be resolved. So this is our when Goa we say it is a tourism state, we welcome all the tourists. So all these activities have to be given, whether it is water sports, whether it is paragliding, whether it is any other sports which is there. I'm talking about international sports, where a tourist come and he wants to do this activity, and if it is available, let it be regulated proper. So regulations have to be there. Government watch should be there on such activity. Like how government has said that we will keep a strong watch on all these activities of water sports which is happening in the state of Goa. Scuba diving is also one activity which has to be explored and which has to be taken to the next level. Like all these things, if we give the tourist, it's an experience for them. When they come to Goa, they will have all these different types of activities. So we cannot say that we are going to ban something which is legally allowed all over the world.
But don't you think action against the illegality is what is happening?
Action should be taken. What is the meaning of action? Now government did not know all these years that paragliding is happening in. Before I could become MLA, paragliding used to happen in Keri, that Mandre, Morji, Keri, even in Anjuna, where my restaurant is to be there. The paragliding is to happen over there, just above Kalis. Near the fort at Vagator. Paragliding used to happen. It's not new. Motorized paragliding used to happen. So there were our Goans used to be participating in that, learning that. I still remember Madgaonkar used to come on everyday basis over there in Anjuna to do paragliding. So we just cannot say that it is not happening. So that time there was no government regulation. You mean to say it takes so long for government to regulate it? So banning such an activity comes as a first news internationally all over the world that this particular thing is banned, which is wrong. See, there has to be a way out for every activity which is happening in the state. Way out. So you bring a way out. You give the paragliders the thing that yes, government is in process of regulating. In the meantime, you tell them to form an association, put one person on the job. Government has so many employees, they can put people on job. You just cannot say that we are going to ban.
Okay.
So, you think
it
that
has come
paragliding
to,
will attract good quality tourists to the state?
See, you go and I just told you, you open Google and check Himachal. You check the paragliding and number of tourists who come over there. So they have a festival of paragliding which happens once in a year where paragliders from all over the world come over there. So it becomes an event for 15 days for that entire Himachal. Its tourism is on a boost over there.
So
on
my
that
question is
particular-
different.
So it's a festival.
Sir, I have a different question. It has come to knowledge that very soon, ministerial reshuffle is going to take place. So how you look
That
at
is
it?
not my subject at all. I'm not a part of it.
Are
To
you-
decide or to comment.
Are you
So we
looking-
were in opposition, we have come in ruling to get people's work done. We are doing it. Let anybody say it's not being done. All the works are happening. Whether it is water treatment plant, whether it is a substation, a station, main station for 4 constituencies, that is happening of 350 crore. I go personally to monitor. Our health center is being done. I personally go to monitor it, to check the work.
thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah.